Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change board background on Trello application. So how to change board background on Trello application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Trello app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Trello app. Next, tap your board that you want to change. Tap the three dots icon at the top right. Tap the three dots icon here. And tap Background. Well, there are lots of background color choices here. Please choose one. So that's it, tutorial how to change board background on Trello application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.